Hey everyone, this is Daniel from Phone Arena with the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 10.1 hands-on. This is still a non-final unit, but we're pretty excited to explore it since that's the first Intel Atom-based Android slate from Samsung. This is still a non-final unit, as we said, though you can't really tell from the chassis build. It is very light at 510 grams and thin at sub 8 millimeters thickness. Plus it is compact and feels quite sturdy. Though a 10-incher is supposed to be held in landscape mode, here the side bezel is thinner than the top where the Samsung logo is, or the bottom, which houses the physical home key and the capacitive navigational keys. These touch keys can be inadvertently pressed when you are holding the tablet like that in portrait mode. So the tablet has a sensor to turn them off if you wish so in this mode. It's the portrait keyboard. The screen itself at 1280 by 800 pixels is nothing to write home about. Pretty basic for today's tablet standards at 145 ppi pixel density, which indicates that Samsung is not throwing the kitchen sink in its first experiment with Android and Intel. It displays decent colors and good viewing angles. And also, the only gripe we have about it is the comparatively low resolution. Well, it depends on the price. If this thing lands at rock bottom prices, then all our complaining bets are off. We've got TouchWiz Nature UX on the tablet with some of the gestures and eye tracking features that we have in the flagship Samsung Galaxy S4, like Smart Screen, for example, but not all of them. Of course, the big story about the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 10.1 is that Android here is powered by an Intel processor, not the usual ARM clone. It's 1.6 GHz dual-core Atom with the Clover Trail architecture and 1 GB of RAM. We get this 3 megapixel camera on the back, plus a 1.3 megapixel front shooter, also 16 or 32 gigabytes of storage and a micro SD slot. Eventually a micro SIM slot if you buy the version with cellular connectivity. Since the big story here is the Intel processor, we ran Quadrant on the tablet despite its non-final nature of our unit, and the result of over between 5,000 and 6,000 points were pretty middle of the road, but we'll pass a final verdict when we get a retail unit for review. For now, it seems like a decent, thin and light Android tablet and doesn't feel underpowered in the interface or while running apps. This was a hands-on of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 10.1 from Phone Arena. For more information about this and other tablets, you can visit us at phonearena.com.